put the dry ice into my blood soup. Whoa! Welcome to a Halloween garden party, Maya! Now it's time to do some experiments. Welcome to our Halloween special with our special guest, Maya.
Hi! Today's video is dedicated to dry ice experiments. Dry ice is frozen carbon dioxide. It is very cold.
The reason why it's called dry ice because when it melts, it turns into gas, not liquid. The process of it melting is called sublimation.
This experiment is a screaming ice experiment.
Whoa! They have water. Now we're going to add some hot water to our dry ice. Whoa!
Now we're going to do the spooky pumpkin.
Whoa!
We just put detergent in. This is when the detergent reacts with the ice.
Big bubble. Wow, this looks like a snowy mountain. I wish I could ski on it. I'm making a blood soup.
And I'm making a witch's soup.
Put some color in my hot water. What's the osmosis? Osmosis is when the color dilutes with the water.
Now I'm going to put my witch's ingredients into my pot. I've got spine, some fresh ham, a foot, and a normal bone, and some spiders. Now I'm going to put the water into the soup.
Now I'm going to put the dry ice into my blood soup. You see the red at the bottom? Ah! Come on, red blood. Put the pumpkin. Yes. Now we got a woolly pumpkin. Woolly pumpkin. Looks like he's spitting it out, or it's like something inside him. Whoa! Rise, my wind. Rise. I got two. Rise, the wind. Rise, rise.
Now we're going to add the color, just a little bit.
Little bit.
A little.
A little bit. Put a little bit. The vinegar is the acid.
And the baking soda is the base. Now we're going to demonstrate an acid-base reaction.
Baking soda, please.
Baking soda. Thank you, adult. Now we're going to put the base.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, that's so much better.
Okay, everyone mix it up. Whoa!
That's so much better. It's like a cauldron. Now we put dry ice.
Watch liquid, no.
Whoa! Ah! I'm gonna tip it up. Oh my God!
It's a rainbow. It's maroon.
Ah! Rainbow!
Rainbow.
Rainbow!
It's metallic.
Metallic! It's time for us to say goodbye because we have some cleaning up to do.